Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to the online teaching classes. In today's class, we will continue our lesson. Lesson number 2. Where are my glasses? Before moving ahead, let us have a review of our previous part of the lesson. In the previous part of the lesson, we read that grandfather has lost his glasses. With the help of his family member, he searched everywhere, but he couldn't find his glasses. In today's class, let us continue our story and find out where the grandpa's glasses are. Let's start. Jay and Nimi finish their breakfast. They look for Grandpa's glasses in all the rooms. Then they go to his room. He looks worried. Mr. Sen and Mrs. Sen walk into the room. They look at Grandpa. Mrs. Sen, don't worry, we will get you a new pair. Mr. Sen, yes, let's go and order a new pair. Jay, suddenly, Mummy, Daddy, Nimi, look at Grandpa. In this paragraph, children, Jay and Nimi had finished their breakfast. And after finishing their breakfast, they went to all the rooms of their house to check out for the grandpa's glasses. And when they did not get the glasses there, they went to the grandpa's room. Grandpa was sitting alone and he was looking very tired and sad. Mr. and Mrs. Sen also went to the grandpa's room. They both looked at grandpa's face. Grandpa looks worried because he has lost his glasses, and without his glasses, he won't be able to see properly. After looking at Grandpa's sad face, Mrs. Sen told Grandpa not to worry and she will buy him a new pair of glasses. Mr. Sen also told Grandpa that he will also order a new pair of glass. Suddenly, Jay shouted and called his mummy, daddy, and his sister Nimi and told them to look at Grandpa's face. Next paragraph. They look at him. They are laughing. Ha ha ha. Nimi, Grandpa. Dear Grandpa, your glasses are on your nose. Grandpa. Thank you, children. Let me now read the newspaper, please. Children, in this paragraph, when Jay told his parents and his sister to look at Grandpa's face, they all looked at Grandpa's face and started laughing. Grandpa was very surprised and shocked that he has lost his glasses and his family members are laughing at him. Then Nimi told the grandpa, dear grandpa, your glasses are on your nose. And the funny part is that, Children, no one, even Grandpa, did not notice that his glasses are on his nose. And from the morning to afternoon, he was worried about his glasses. It was Jay who first saw the glasses on his nose. Now, Grandpa was very happy because finally he got his glasses and now he can read the newspaper. Grandpa thanked the children and told them that he wanted to read the newspaper. So, children, this is the end of our lesson. From this lesson, we learned that we should always help our family members and we should never make fun of them. I hope you all have enjoyed this lesson. Thank you.